Greetings, musical creatures, non-musical creatures, creatures of light, creatures of darkness, creatures from the outer reaches of space, potentially the Black Lagoon under Joshua's bed. I'm Robert.
And I'm Josh.
We're at Central Music.
Up there.
We'd like to have a conversation with you.
Yeah. What's going on today?
You have a bag. What's that for?
Oh, I got all my band camp essentials in here. I'm getting ready for a marching band camp.
This would be great content. What do you pack for band camp?
Oh, I got everything you need. Everything you need and nothing you want. Well,
I don't even know what that means, but I'm curious.
Obviously for band camp, you're going to want your full-size conch shell. Be able to call your brothers to arms when they're needed. I'm bringing my mini crocheted dragon. A good friend of mine made this for me. Don't go anywhere without it. Bacon bits. No explanation.
Yeah.
Delicious. Delicious anytime. Scented candle. You really want to be able to set an ambiance. Smells great.
Yeah.
I did bring just a single K-cup coffee. Not sure I'll have the machine for it, but I'll have it if it's available. Pepper flakes. I like it spicy, and this might be enough spice for 4 days. I got a copy of the Declaration of Independence.
Full national treasure. That's nice.
Yeah, I like to take that with me if I can. Oh, and a Petoskey stone, of course.
Joshua, do you happen to have a trumpet?
Ooh, I'll grab that before I go. Yeah.
You did a terrible job.
What?
I don't see any of that really helping you at Look, okay. I packed for marching band camp too.
Yeah, okay.
I got a little bag here.
Nice bag.
I brought an egg shaker.
Are you sure that's enough?
I mean, what more could you possibly need?
Well, what about like just sunblock?
Oh, that's pretty important. Even the chapstick sunblock too, because it's nothing worse than like sunburnt lips.
Yeah.
Or hearing protection.
Oh yeah.
Probably need that.
Especially for the percussionists.
Yeah.
Or for anyone really.
Yeah.
Water bottle.
Water bottle's important. A hat.
Hat, yeah, that'll keep the sun off too. Don't want to be sunburnt in band camp, that's for sure.
No, that's bad.
Like all your normal instrument essentials, so like oil, reeds.
Oh yeah, I didn't bring any of that.
Sticks.
I got some brand new shoes too, and that probably wasn't a good choice. Probably comfortable shoes that I've worn a lot are probably better.
Yeah, you don't want to have some blisters on your feet halfway through band camp. That sounds terrible.
No, that's bad. As it turns out,
I think I could have done a little better job packing.
Maybe packing for band camp's like a superpower.
Band camp superpower. I like it. What kind of band camp superpower would you want?
Oh, I didn't even think of that. I mean, other than the ability to pack properly for band camp and bring all the things I need, which is usually provided to me on a list that
is not on
the back of the Declaration of Independence. I would have the ability to magically summon shade.
Oh.
Because sometimes you get hot working out there for a while.
Definitely.
If you get a break, maybe find the shade if you can't summon it yourself.
Yeah, don't be throwing shade though. It's no good. I would have the ability to stand at attention forever without moving.
That's very like you.
Yeah.
What about this as a superpower? Like being serious for 2 seconds-ish?
Okay.
We're serious adjacent with this?
Usually.
How about a superpower to remain positive when everybody is hot and tired and things aren't going great and we definitely don't want to do it again, to support all the musicians around us and be that positive voice of moving practice forward and getting things done and not being another negative voice?
I definitely think it's a superpower to be super positive. Yeah, and going off that, like, what if you had the superpower to like when you go off into sectional time, you can keep your whole group like focused and on task that whole time. Really get a lot out of that.
Ooh, high resolution superpower.
I like it.
In focus?
Yes, very focused.
Probably not what you meant. But
everyone's focused.
Great.
Focus up, super positive. Stay in the shade.
If you have a suggestion for a superpower that we may want to have irradiated spiders made for, put it in the comments. Also, things that you recommend to bring to a band camp. If you have some experience with that, maybe you want to share it with the others in our community.
Right.
Comment section's a great place for that. And if your superpower is to have super thumbs, maybe you want to smash that like and subscribe button because that really helps us out. In the meantime, Stay hydrated, avoid the sunburn, have great time at band camp with your new best friends, learning your new favorite music.
Don't forget your Petoskey Stone.
You gonna point at them so they know it's over?
I will.
Yeah, that's what he does.
Let's get in there. Arms.